In this video, we will introduce the prep for Palo Alto Network's NetSec Analyst exam. What is Palo Alto Network's Certified Network Security Analyst? Target audience. Exam information. Exam blueprint. Preparation strategies. 1. Which security profile is used to block access to known malicious websites and enforce safe browsing? A. File blocking. B. Antivirus. C. URL filtering. D. DOS protection. 2. An administrator wants to decrypt SSL traffic for internal employees while excluding banking sites. Which configuration should be applied? A. Decryption profile with SSL inbound inspection. B. Security policy with application override. C. Decryption policy with URL category exclusion. D. DOS protection profile with custom signatures. 3. Which of the following is a valid use case for an external dynamic list, EDL? A. Defining custom user groups. B. Blocking malicious IPs updated from a threat feed. C. Logging traffic statistics to Panorama. D. Defining routing metrics for SD-WAN. 4. What does a log forwarding profile allow administrators to do? A. Forward logs to external syslog servers or SIEMs. B. Block malicious applications before committing configuration. C. Encrypt log traffic using SSL, TLS. D. Automatically update security profiles with threat signatures. 5. An administrator must ensure outbound traffic from an internal private subnet is translated to a public IP. Which policy is required? A. Security policy. B. Decryption policy. C. NAT policy. D. Application override policy. 6. Which policy type is used to bypass app ID classification for specific traffic flows? A. Policy-based forwarding, PBF. B. NAT policy. C. Application override policy. D. Decryption policy. 7. Which of the following can enforce bandwidth thresholds and service level agreements, SLAs, for critical applications in an SD-WAN environment? A. URL filtering policies. B. SD-WAN routing and SLA policies. C. Application override policies. D. Data filtering profiles. 8. Which dashboard would you use to view alerts for malware detected across multiple firewalls? A. Security Profiles page. B. Incidents and Alerts page. C. NAT Policy page. D. Activity Monitor. 9. A firewall shows high CPU usage, and sessions are being dropped. Which troubleshooting step should be performed first? A. Check DOS protection profile logs. B. Review system resource utilization. C. Apply a new NAT policy. D. Disable all decryption profiles. 10. Which feature helps administrators identify unused or redundant rules to optimize security policy? A. Log Viewer. B. Activity Insights. C. Policy Optimizer. D. Command Center. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.